your habits there. These kind of things are going to happen. So just hold tight for a second. Ask me one more time what's going on. What's your first name? James. James, listen to me just a minute, okay? Why you run up to me and flag the police down and ask for help when you have cocaine on you is beyond me. Well, we're going to charge you because I believe it is. I believe it is. So, you're going to jail for possession, all right? Put your leg out. Well, Officer Russell here is testing it. He's testing it to just going to verify here that it is cocaine. We'll put it on the front of the room and charge him with possession. Unbelievable. I can't believe you got
Correct.
telling the officer how